Hey, Tommy.
Yeah, what's up?
Want to make some juice stuff?
No!
Okay. Hey, Kurt. How old are he is? You want to go make some Pop-Tarts?
No!
Okay.
So I don't laugh. No, don't record.
Ah, Tommy, it hurt.
Go.
You little. I'm going to kill you.
Come on, stop it, stop it.
Ah.
Just let's practice stop it.
Mm.
Stop it. Come on, stop it.
Okay. Wait, no, it has to be quiet. And wait, I'm a bad actor.
Oh.
Okay. Hey, Tommy.
What?